Hi, my name is Katie with HAPS, Houston Area Parkinson Society. I'm doing a 4-part series on stretching. So we did the first 2 in the chair. The third part is a little bit more strength-based, so we're gonna be standing. So have your chair by you for the whole thing and just do what you can. All right, we're gonna come onto one side of our chair and then we're gonna utilize the leg that is the furthest away from our chair. All right, so these are hip openers, so I call them upside downs, because that's exactly what we're doing. We're gonna lift that leg up to the side and down, and then bring it right back over. All right, if you wanna keep your leg lifted for a little extra, you can do that as well. Up, side, down, and keep it off the ground, or put it down. So your choice, you can hold onto your chair the whole time, or if you're feeling like your balance is okay, you can maybe let go for 1 or more. Good. 2 more. Up, side, down. Good. Up, side, down. Excellent. All right, we're going to move over to the other side. Over to the other side. And do it over here. Here we go. All right, lift your leg up. Move it to the side and down. Up, side, down. Yeah, and you can also use your hand under your thigh or on your knee, again, to facilitate that leg moving around and opening up your hips. Hopefully you feel that. It's a really nice stretch. And 3, and 2, and 1 more. Excellent. All right, we're gonna go back to the first side, and all we're doing is we're gonna swing our arm and leg in opposite directions, the same side, and just feel like you're gonna kick and swing it, your arm and leg. Good. 3, 2, 1 more. Awesome. All right, let's do that on the other side. All right, so kick and swing. Excellent. Good. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1 more. Excellent. All right. So use your chair as much as you need to. We're going to step. I'm going to move my chair just so you can see what we're doing. But if you need to hold on to your chair, have it in front of you like this. All right. Or beside you. All right. Your feet are going to be a little wider, and you're going to bend your knees slightly. All right, so you're gonna reach one or both arms. Like if you need to hold onto the chair, you can actually just do your lower part, or you can just do the arm part. So I'm gonna show you what we're doing. So the whole thing is this, you're going down and up. So you're bending your knees as your arms come up and cross, and then they're gonna come all the way back down as you straighten your legs and cross again. All right, again, if you need to use the chair to hold onto with one or both hands, so you could just do your legs, or if you want to just do your arms. All right, so let's go. Excellent. And then cross them. Try to cross them at the top and at the bottom. Good. And 4 more. Good. And 3 more. 2. All right, and last one. Awesome. All right, we're gonna do a little bit more challenging work here. So you need your chair to hold on to. You're gonna come down. You're gonna lift one heel and pulse it. Set it down, lift your other heel and pulse it. 2, and bring it down. And if you can, lift both heels. Give me 4 pulses. 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, I know. Bring your feet back in. It's all right. We're good. All right, kick it out a little bit. Woo. Yeah, the standing stuff is good, but it's really going to strengthen your legs and your arms. Okay, so up next, again, you can have your chair beside you or in front of you. So this is called tap and reach. So you're going to do the same arm and leg, but they're going in opposite directions. So the legs are just gonna do, I'm just gonna show you what the leg part's gonna do. You're just gonna tap your leg to the side. Just tap, that's it. That's all the leg's doing. So if you wanna practice that a few times, tap and tap. All right, and the arm's gonna go across your body. So you want your fingers spread wide, and you really wanna reach and stretch and get that whole side of your body and arm and shoulders stretched out. All right, so here we go. So you're gonna tap, and you're gonna reach. Fingers spread wide, and you're reaching across. All right, other side, reach and tap, and reach and tap, good. You don't have to go super fast. If you want to go a little faster, you can, but make sure you're stretching, and you'll feel that all on your side body and your shoulders too. All right, we got one more. We're not done though. All right, then you're gonna reach up. So like you're touching where the corner of the ceiling and the wall meet, right? Our feet are doing the same thing, right? Tap and reach. Tap and reach. Tap and reach. Good. 2. Give me one more on each side. All right, we're going down to the ground. Like you dropped your grocery bag, grab it. Grab it, so don't look down. So if you start looking down, you're gonna round your back and hunch like that. We don't wanna do that, do we? So round your back. So keep your chest up and look forward, or at least look down. If you're looking down on the ground, look in front of you. So just pretend like you know exactly where the bag handle is. Good. 3, 2, excellent. One more on both sides. All right, and then we're gonna finish back in the center, reaching and stretching. 3, 2, and one more. Beautiful. All right, shake it all out. Kick it out, shake it out, twist it out, whatever you need to do. All righty. Okay, because we're moving on along. We got a lot more fun stuff to do. All right, this is a little challenging, but you can do it, I promise. All right, so there's variations you can do. So we're gonna be in the back of our chair. All right, so you're gonna take your, I'm just gonna say right leg. You're gonna start by taking your right leg back. All right, and then we're gonna pulse that leg. Just like that. All right, if you feel like your balance is good, your hand, you're taking your opposite arm up, and then we're gonna pulse both. So if you're doing that, put your right hand kind of in the middle of the chair. All right, so let's start with our leg and left arm. So you're pulsing it, see that? Good, 2, and then you're gonna go elbow to knee. So you're gonna bend and lengthen, bend and lengthen. All right, if it's too much, you can just do your knee or just do your elbow. So whatever, find what works for you. 4 more. 3, 2, and one more. Yep, we gotta pulse it again. Yes, we do, good. 3, 2, and 1. I know, don't worry, there'll be plenty of time for you to take a break. All right, then we're gonna take that leg and you're gonna kick it side to side. Yep. You are gonna be loose and feel really good. All right. Okay, we got the other side to do. All right. So your left leg's gonna go back and you're gonna start pulsing it. Sorry. And you got your opposite arm and go. Pulse, 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 and then elbow in. Oh wait, sorry, I just did the wrong. See, that's what I'm talking about. I just did the same side, so I'm supposed to do my opposite. So left leg and right arm. Okay, forget what I did. Okay, and then lengthen. See, that's what I'm talking about. You gotta go slow, otherwise your brain doesn't want to cooperate sometimes. 3, and 2, and 1, and pulse it again. 2, and 1, excellent. And bring that leg back. All right, we're gonna kick it side to side. That's funny, okay. I'll just keep it in the video. 2, and 1. Awesome, alrighty. Okay, we have a little more. We got some balancing moves and then a few other strength moves, and then we're gonna finish the fourth part of the series back in our chair. All right, so here we go. We're on one side of the chair again. All right, you're gonna lift one leg up. All right, we're just working on our balance. So you can hold onto the chair the whole time. If you feel like you can let go for a second or more than a second, then go for that. If not, just hold onto the chair and just work on your core and your balance. All right, while we're doing that, the next part of the thing we're doing is we're pulsing our leg up. Just 4 times, 2 and 1, and then we're gonna give 4 kicks. You can do it, I promise. We do it in my class, in person, and everybody can do it. And pulse it again, 3, 2, 1. All right, and set that leg down. All right, kick it out. You can do it. You got it. All right, we got to strengthen those legs. They got to work for us, right? Okay, so you got the other leg up. You can let go. You can stay holding on, or maybe let go for a second, or hold on less. Whatever's working for you today. All right, are you ready to pulse it? Pulse it up high, 2 and 1. 4 kicks. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. 2. I think we did 4, but I don't remember. 4, 3, 2, 1 more pulse. Ooh, and come down. All right, kick it out, kick it out. All right. So we're gonna strengthen our legs with one more move. So we're gonna do some lunges, and we're gonna move forward to back. So I'm gonna have my chair beside me, and watch what we're gonna do. So you're gonna do one leg at a time. We're only doing a few on each side, okay? So it'll be all right. So you got your chair right here beside you. You're gonna step your right foot forward into a lunge, come back, and then you're gonna step it back, the same leg into the lunge, right? So right foot forward, step it back, and right foot back. All right, we got 2 more of those to do, and then we got the other side. All right, forward and back, forward and back. Beautiful. I know, it's a lot of work. Believe me, I know. All right, then we're gonna do the other leg. All right, we're almost done with this part. All right, here we go. So the same thing here. I'm gonna show you from the front like this, forward, and you're holding on to your chair the whole time. And then just give me a lunge back. If you can't go down far, just do what you can. Everybody's just doing what they can, right? All right, we got 2 more. 2. All right, and last one. And back. Excellent. All right. I don't know if I said that was the last thing, but we have one more thing. I promise it's the last thing in this part, and then we will finish this up. All right, so we're back behind our chair again. All right, so we're gonna bring our knee. So start with your right leg. Your knee's gonna come in, and then you're just gonna kick it back. So bring it up, and then just swing it back, kind of like you're swinging it, and back. All right, let's do 4 more. 4, 3, 2, it's like you're doing a little push-up with it too. All right, last one. You're gonna pulse it right here. 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. We got the other leg to do, and then we will be done with this part. All right, here we go. Bring your other leg in, kick it up, and kick it up. Good. Little push up on the chair while you're doing it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pulse it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. All right, that's the finishing of the third part of our series. We're going to finish the fourth part back in our chair and then wind it all down and finish it up. All right, thank you so much for joining me. Have a great rest of your day.